Okay, folks, welcome back. This is part 2 to troubleshooting the Samsung 2017 Series TV UN49MU6290F 4K Ultra High Definition Smart TV. We determined that the reason why it wouldn't power up was because the main board was our issue. So I just received a replacement main board, ordered it off of the internet, and I will now replace the main board and see what happens. Okay, it has a couple cables. You just flip the little clips up, pull all the wires, then this board is just like they tried to eliminate screws. This board has a way of sliding the connectors off. They have snap connectors, so you actually have to slide the board up, and there's a notch right here, so if you lift lightly you can move the board past that notch, and then the rest of the board will slide out. Simple as that. Okay, so let's put in a new board. We have to slide it on just like we slid the other one off. There's some clips. Instead of screws, it has clips. And it virtually just slide right in to their seat. See that? Snap it in place. And let's connect our connectors back. Okay. One connector. Make sure they're seated well. Completely in place, all the way up to the black line. That's in. Okay. So now I will power the TV back up. Plug in the power. TV should come on. There's our backlight. We didn't have that before, so it actually fired up the TV. Let's take a picture, look at the screen, see what the screen looks like. I'm gonna stand it up. And we do have a screen. We do have video. Backlight on now. Wait, make sure the cable's in properly. But we have no video. So let's double check our T-con connectors. Make sure they're in. It looks like that T-con connector might not be in all the way. So let me remove that and make sure I get in there right. Thought I had it in all the way. Really tricky. Get in there. Let's try this one. Let's reseat them. Let's try it again. Power's on. It's up. There's, what do we have? We have a smart TV feature here. Here's our TV, ready and working, ready to go. So you see, so you got to see what happens if you don't put the T-con connector in all the way up to the line. But there we have a repaired television. Let me power it off and power it back on from the power button instead of just plugging it up. Actually, the customer gave me the remote. Let's check the remote. The customer didn't leave me any batteries. We'll check that in a minute. Okay. We have settings, so the toggle switch is working. We have snow, no signal. All right. We have a working TV. Back down. Let's go back over there. Caption it. Okay. All right. So there you have it. We found that the main board was bad, and it was pulling down our power supply. Power supply was reading 9 volts all across the board. It has 4 pins. Pins 3, 5, 7, and 9 all should be 13 volts, 13.2 volts according to the board, 13 volts. So that's it, folks. That's it, folks. Please like and subscribe, and another repair completed. Thanks.